Test your green thumb with an Anthurium. And if you order directly from the Amazon, remember it traveled a long, long way. So be prepared to rehabilitate. The first thing you want to do is inspect from roots to stem. For disease and pests like spider mites, be careful, they can blend. Grab a clear cup or a jar, fill it up with H2O. We like to add some Super Thrive, this will help it grow. Test your green thumb with an Anthurium. Why? They are so beautiful. Make sure the humidity's high. Along with bright indirect light, these plants will grow so well. Beware if you don't do it just right, it can quickly go to hell. But don't be afraid to get an Anthurium. Watch people like the plant practitioner for some helpful education. Now run and get an Anthurium by mail or your local shop. One warning that if you start, you might not be able to stop.